Hey guys, if you're unsure how to do the report of your email addresses, jump onto your main home screen in your back office, go to Associate Tools, go to your Downline Reports, go across, Downline Query Beta. That then will bring you up a spreadsheet of everybody in your downline plus their email addresses. What you've done once you've done that, and it actually does come up when my internet decides to help and hasn't had a meltdown for the day, which is what it looks like. Once the report comes up, come on. There you go. Once the report comes up, which is here, what you need to do is go over here and click on Export to CSV file. That'll export your file. So down here you can see Personal Downline. Open it up, and when you open it up, that's the report you need to send me via email, and it will just have your spreadsheet, and then I'll just delete everything and grab the emails off it. That's it. Easy done. If you need any help, let me know.